How's everybody doing today? All right, here we have a 2017, I believe, Ford Flex, 119,763 miles. Customer complaint, knocking noise underneath and feels loose. So, just going on a little test drive here. See what we hear. I hear a little bit of tire noise, but this particular customer, which it's a car lot, they're not going to do tires for just a little bit of road noise. I do hear some clunking over bumps. We need to get some different. I hear it in the rear. Need to get some better bumps. And I thought I heard it in the front earlier. I should have picked a bumpier road. Alright, I'll be right back on a bumpier spot. Got little bumps here. Oh yeah. Got some front and some rear. So probably some sway bar links, bushings. We got a lot of bumps on this bridge up here. I don't really. It feels like the tires are low, but there's not a low tire light on. But oh yeah. Maybe some strut noise. All right, we'll get this thing back to the shop and get it up in the air and check her out. And we only got 3 miles to empty, so definitely ain't gonna be. Definitely ain't gonna be going on no long test drive until we hit the old gas station. You gotta love it when they bring it to you with 2 miles. Now it says 2 miles to empty. Now here we got some railroad tracks. Didn't sound too bad there. Now the reason you swerve over to the right, you got to be careful with that right there, because you can pop a tire on them tracks. All right, now only thing I can find from having it on the lift is these rear sway bar links and bushings. Now I did write it up for rear pads and rotors and front pads and rotors. Whether they do it or not, I don't know. We will see. But checks ball joints and everything, and I can't feel any play in the sway bar links. I'm gonna let the car down and have somebody rock the car while I'm laying up under it and see if we can get some noise coming out of it. All right, so we're gonna do front brake pads and rotors, rear brake pads and rotors, rear sway bar links and bushings, and front sway bar bushings. So I couldn't, from underneath with the pry bar, I couldn't prove the bushings. But rocking the car back and forth with me laying down, 100% bushings are bad. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.